Have you ever wondered about the daily limits on Neon Bank? It's a common question, especially if you're considering using Neon for your daily transactions. In this video, we'll dive deep into the daily limits you can expect from Neon Bank. Imagine you're planning a weekend getaway and need to withdraw a significant amount of cash. Or maybe you're expecting a large payment and want to know if it'll fit within Neon's daily limits. These are real scenarios that many people face, and it's essential to understand the rules before you start using Neon. Before we get into the specifics, let's quickly recap what Neon Bank is all about. Neon is a digital bank that offers a range of financial services, including current accounts, savings accounts, and more. It's designed to be convenient, accessible, and user-friendly. Daily limits. Now, let's address the main topic, daily limits. Neon Bank has set limits on certain transactions to ensure the security of its users. Here's a breakdown of the key limits. Cash withdrawals. When you withdraw cash from an ATM, Neon typically has a daily limit. This limit varies depending on your account type and other factors. However, you can usually find the exact limit in your Neon app or by contacting their customer support. Card payments. Neon cards have a daily spending limit. This means you can't spend more than a certain amount on your card in a single day. Again, the specific limit will depend on your account and the type of card you have. Transfers. If you want to transfer money between Neon accounts or to external accounts, there might be daily limits in place. These limits are designed to prevent fraudulent activity and protect your funds. Additional considerations. While the daily limits are important to know, there are a few other things to keep in mind. Overdrafts. If you exceed your daily limit, you might incur overdraft fees. It's crucial to be aware of these fees and avoid them if possible. Increasing limits. In some cases, you might be able to request an increase in your daily limits. This is usually possible if you have a good track record with Neon and can provide sufficient documentation. Neon's website and app. The most accurate and up-to-date information on daily limits is available on Neon's official website and mobile app. You can find detailed information and any recent changes there. Understanding the daily limits on Neon Bank is essential for using the service effectively. By knowing your limits, you can plan your finances accordingly and avoid any unexpected surprises. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any further questions about Neon Bank or its daily limits, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time, happy banking.